What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Empire IX trading plan template. Before we dive into the template itself, let's go ahead and take a look at how to access your template. To get your copy of your Empire IX trading plan template, you first need to log into the XLife platform, come over to the left-hand menu and click Channels, then scroll down till you see Empire IX. Go ahead and click Empire IX and open up the channel. Once you are in the Empire IX Xcore channel, you can scroll down to the pinned message and download the Getting Started document from here, or you can go to the menu and click Documents. Once you're on the Documents page, scroll down to the Getting Started with Empire IX folder. Then you want to select the Getting Started with Empire IX PDF. Once you click that, you'll go ahead and see a preview of the Getting Started document. Then you want to scroll down to where it says Download and download your copy. Once you have downloaded the Getting Started with Empire IX document, you then want to open it up and scroll down to the very last page until you see additional resources. From there, you want to go ahead and click the Trading Plan Template button and open it up. It will then ask you to make a copy of the Empire IX Trading Plan template, which you need to do in order to edit yours and make it your own. If you are accessing this template from a mobile device, you will first need to go to File and then Make a Copy in order to have access to edit your own template. So let's go ahead and select Make a Copy in order to have our own version of our Empire IX Trading Plan template. And here you have your copy of your Empire IX Trading Plan template. We are now going to walk through how to use this template in order to help you develop your trading plan and become a disciplined and consistent trader. The first part of your trading plan template is going to be your trading plan criteria. As you can see over here to the right, we have a link to this video as well as written instructions to help you understand your trading plan template. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first part of this trading plan template and our trading plan criteria. Here you can see we have two columns, trading questions to help develop plan and the trading plan criteria itself. On the left-hand side, these are some questions that are designed to help you start thinking about what is my trading plan and how can I develop this. As you can see here, we have questions like, why are you trading? What are your goals? What type of trader are you? Are you a scalper, a intraday trader, day trader, swing trader, etc.? What time of day do you trade? How much percent of your account are you risking per trade? And the list continues. Please read through all of these questions, and then on the right-hand side, on your trading plan criteria, you simply want to answer these questions to help you start developing your trading plan. Remember, guys, this is only a template, so feel free to change any of the questions that you'd like, and you can also add your own there at the bottom in order to help you develop the trading plan that's going to be best fit for you. Once you have all your trading plan criteria set in place and you know exactly what you're looking for in the market, we can then scroll down and go down to our confirmation checklist here at the bottom. Once again, we have written instructions on how to use the confirmation checklist, but let's walk through it now within this video. This confirmation checklist is designed to help you stay disciplined and follow your trading plan systematically rather than emotionally. So how does it do that? Well, when we take a look at this confirmation checklist, you have two categories. You have your must-haves, and down at the bottom, you have other helpful confirmations. When we are looking to take trades, we need to make sure our confirmations are present in order to let us know that our edge is present in the market and we are following our strategy perfectly. So up here in the section labeled must-haves, these are our must-have confirmations in order for us to take a trade. So what you can do is you can come here and list all of the confirmations that you are looking for that you must have in order to take a trade. If we look over here to the right, we have a bullish column and a bearish column. Again, remember guys, this is a template. Feel free to change these two column titles however you see fit, because you can also change them to yes or no, buy or sell, whatever is going to help you best develop your trading plan. The purpose of these columns, though, are to help you identify should you take the trade, yes or no. So for example, if we take a look here, the first confirmation that we're going to use in this example is what is the trend? Is the trend bullish or is it bearish? Let's pretend, for example, that we have a great trade setup and we are looking at the trend now. We see that the trend is bullish, so we're going to simply come over here and check the bullish column. Once we have done that, you can see down here that that box changed from don't take the trade to take the trade, because now we have confirmations present. The next thing we need to do is just go down our confirmation checklist and make sure all of our confirmations are there, they align with the correct direction, and we can take this trade. So the next question here says, in which direction is the next pool of liquidity? Right? So if we have a pool of liquidity to the upside that we can then target with a buy, we want to go ahead and check that. Moving on to the next question. In which direction are our points of interest? Well, if we have a bullish order block or maybe an imbalance that we could potentially buy off, we can go ahead and check that one as well. And again, we can then continue down this list and check all the confirmations that we have in order to check them all off and take a trade that aligns with our strategy. But let's say, for example, that the trade setup that we're looking at actually does not have a pool of liquidity to the upside, but actually has it to the downside, right? Giving us a bearish target. So if we come over here on the question about liquidity and select bearish, it will then tell you don't take the trade. And the reason for that, guys, is because you identified that one of your confirmations is not present in the market. And if that's the case, no matter what emotion you have about the trade, this confirmation checklist will tell you exactly whether or not you should take a trade based on a systematic approach rather than emotional. If all of your confirmations are present, it'll tell you to take the trade. And if they're not, it will tell you don't take the trade. This can be very useful for especially new traders that do not know the importance of trading without emotions. So feel free to take advantage of using this to help you understand, should you take a trade or should you not take a trade based on a systematic approach. Now, when it comes to other helpful confirmations, these are confirmations that may not be absolutely 100% necessary for you to take a trade, but they could be helpful confirmations to add confluence in order to take a trade. This could be fib levels. This could be lower time frame structure. This could be a Wyckoff schematic, etc., right? This could be something that allows you to add more confirmation, more confluence in order to add this to the trade and give you additional confirmation on whether or not you should take that trade. So once again, guys, this is your confirmation checklist designed to help you attack the markets with a systematic approach. The last thing I want to go over on your trading plan template is some tips that I threw in here from Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas was an amazing trader and a trading coach that actually wrote some books on how to trade like a professional. One of these books is called Trading in the Zone that I personally recommend that you read. Within this book, he goes over how to trade from a systematic approach rather than trading with emotions. It's about how to master your trading psychology. Within this book, he gives the 5 fundamental truths of trading that he discovered when he was a trader. He also lists the 7 principles of consistency to help you become a disciplined and consistent trader. By having these tips on your trading plan template, you can read them every single day, helping you become a more systematic and disciplined trader. So once again, guys, this is your copy of your Empire IX trading plan template. I hope this helps you on your trading journey. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time.